Hey guys, giving you an update on my USD CAD trade. So I had shared this in the forum on Monday, that was. So over here, as you can see, um, shared this one there, and it only triggered yesterday. So, multiple reasons there. It was in a downtrend. We had the 55 weekly over there, 61.8, and also these moving averages, but they were a little higher up. But I had my stop basically above this. And the CPI came in yesterday, and it was somewhere in here. So, but what I calculated was basically it was around 70 pips to the entry. It normally does 70 pips on an average in the past 30 days. So anything more than that will be more than its daily average. So it would have lost some steam probably there. So that was my estimate, and it perfectly worked to the pip entry, basically a sniper entry on that one. And you can see there that's the entry, and it's currently 83 pips in profit. um, so what I'm going to do now is, because today is Friday, I am going to move my stop to here, and I'm going to take half of it off, close, and I will take 0.30 off, and basically I'm taking half off because it's coming to a point of support, so I don't want it to reverse all the way back up and no, not make any profit. So yeah, that's about it on USD CAD, and I'll keep you updated on any other trade.